Hello, in the last video, we talked about the entries. So now let's talk about the um, every method of JavaScript. So let's create another file for the every.js. Okay, let's start. So what is every method? So every method is used to check if all elements in an array satisfy a specified condition. If it returns true if all the elements pass the condition, and false otherwise if there is something, if the condition is, if not, I mean, if the condition is not satisfied, if one of them. Okay, so the every method takes a callback function as an argument, which is executed for each element in an array. So let's create a sample. So we can explore, or I explain to you what is the every and how it works. So let's create a number array, okay, numbers, and let's say this is a even number 2, 4, 6, 8, and then okay, let's talk about even. Okay, let's create another variable that hold our every on every method that we are testing right now. So numbers dot every, then since the first argument in our of our every method is first is the is a call us this one is a function, then the second one is index, and the third one is an array. So in this tutorial, let's do only the function. So let's say number. So this is a function, arrow function, and this one, and then return number, and let's check if all um of the number is a even, is equals to 0, like this one. If there's no what you call this, um exceeding value for this one. So let's console.log all even. So let's test this, run the code. As you can see, um, the return value of all even is true. What if one of the element of our array numbers is odd, like 11, for example, and then let's run again it. So as you can see here, the value that we have in our console.log is now false, um, since in every method we need to satisfy the condition if you want to return it true. Then it return false if one of them it's not a true condition. So that's it. I hope I explained to you the function and the work of every method in JavaScript. So if you have any recommendation or feedback or any comment, just comment below in our comment section. Okay, thank you and bye bye.